Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're in Tankerton. We're looking at a fantastic first floor apartment here, offering 2 fantastic double bedrooms and allocated parking. Now, this apartment itself does come with some gorgeous sea views from the balcony off of the main living space here, and the property itself offers a wonderful amount of space. Now, as we make our way up the stairs, you can see here on the right hand side we have our private entrance through into apartment 12 here at number 2 Graystone Road. Now, the property itself offers you that wonderful modern convenience with all of that practicality as well. Really nice open spaces, as you can see here, with the lounge and the kitchen opened itself up through, and of course you've got the access through onto the balcony as well. Now, the kitchen itself has a wonderful modern finish to it. Of course, you do have the range of fitted appliances here as well, and there is a real emphasis on being light and bright and airy with this property as well. You can see you've got the window there in the kitchen, and of course the sliding doors there leading us out onto the balcony, which we'll go out onto in a few moments just to take in those fantastic sea views. But the lounge itself, wonderful amount of space here, really fantastic location as well. Of course, we're right in the heart of Tankerton here, so of course you do have everything on your doorstep. Location wise as well, you do have some fantastic transport links nearby with a wonderful parade of shops here on Tankerton High Street. But just take a look at that sea view there. There's not many places that you can get that close to the seafront that offers you this wonderful level of convenience as well. Now, let's go through and take a look at the 2 double bedrooms that the property has to offer. Of course, the first bedroom that we'll go through into is the main bedroom at the front. You do have the fitted wardrobes here, and you've also got the benefit of the ensuite shower room as well. Got that lovely big window there too at the front, just letting all of that natural light come through, and again the window there in the ensuite, again just giving you all of that natural light. You've got a really nice modern finish here as well, with the shower unit on the right hand side, the loo and the sink unit. Now, just ahead of us there, you can see you've got those fitted wardrobes, and there is plenty of space in here for the double bed. Let's go through now and take a look at bedroom number 2. Really good size room again, really nice double sized room, plenty of light coming through there from the rear, and of course plenty of space not only for the double bed but for plenty of storage. And just going to finish off the tour inside the property by having a look at the main family bathroom. Now, we will go outside just to show you where we've got the allocated parking, but for now we're going to start wrapping up today's tour. I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today. I'm sure you have plenty of questions for us, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.